All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the shop. We're going to talk about shop cleanup today. And I'm back here in the corner. We've got a lot of our shop cleaning supplies and materials here. We've got our sink just around the corner, soap dispenser, all that fun stuff. So we need to talk about how cleanup works. You get 5 minutes. If it takes you longer than 5 minutes to clean the shop, you're going to be late to your next class. We've got a lot to do. We need to get tools put away. We need to get projects put away. We also need to make sure the tables are cleaned off, the floors are cleaned up, everything's ready to go for my next class. You're not the only class that uses the shop. And if I can't find tools because you forgot to put a ruler up, you left it over by the computers or something, I'm not going to be real happy, guys, and neither is the person that's trying to do their project. So, let's talk about how this works. At the end of class, I am going to tell you, hey, clean up. When I tell you to clean up, stop what you're doing. A lot of people think it's okay, oh, I'll just hurry and finish this one last little piece of my project, I'm so close. It's not okay. Stop what you're doing and clean up. All right? Just stop. You don't need to hurry and finish. You'll have more time to get your stuff done. You can come in for flex to get your stuff done. Stop what you're doing and clean. So first thing you do, stop what you're doing. Next, most important thing, everyone is going to take their own projects and put them away. You take your project, put it in your locker. No one else should be touching your projects. You're the only one that should be doing your project, working on your project, and putting it away. Don't leave it out. It will get lost. It will get destroyed by all of my other classes. So first thing again, stop what you're doing. Second thing, put your projects away. After that, you just need to clean. And everyone cleans until everything is all done. Okay? So you've got your stuff cleaned up. That's fantastic. Find another stool. Put it away. Find somebody else's tools. Put them away. Everything needs to be put away and everyone should help. Okay? So there's an order we have to do things. And if you take a look at you can see we've got these nice tables. We've got the tools over here and all the cabinets are open. That's also not okay. We've got the workbenches with tools on them still. That's not okay. After our project is put away, we need to get the tabletops cleaned off first. So we start with the tabletops, and there's going to be tools, or there may also be, scraps of paper, cardboard. Everything on the tabletop gets cleaned up first. For some reason, when I say clean up, everybody wants to run all the way back to the back corner and grab the big brooms. That's the last thing we do. We cannot sweep the floors until the tabletops have been cleaned. We're going to take everything off the tabletops. We're going to put it away in the lockers or wherever it goes. Then we're going to go get the hand brooms back there. You can see them right there. We're going to take the hand brooms and we sweep the tables off just right onto the floor. If we sweep the tables off onto the floor after we've swept the floor, we still have junk on the floor. So once stuff is cleared off of the tables, tools, whatever was on the tables, projects, we can come grab the hand brooms. We go sweep the tables off. Okay, while that is happening, you'll notice there's only 6 hand brooms over there. While that's happening, some of you should be putting stools away. Because guess what else we can't do if there's stools on the floor still? We can't sweep the floor. So, stools are being put away while the tables are being cleared and swept off. And they should be nice and neat. You can see them over there. put up. Keyboards on the computers, if we're using the computers, they should be stacked up. As you can see on the computer, mouse pushed in so we have room to set the stools up. Once all of that is done, then we go get the big brooms. The big brooms are hanging up. We've got two different styles. We have the regular broom. We've got 3 of them here. Those work great. Over here we also have 2 dust mops. These work great as well. There is a trick to them we'll show you. We also have dust pans. And notice how they're hanging. If you try and hang these backwards, they will fall off and hit the ground. There are 2 different kinds. If you try and hang, notice there's 2 silver ones together, 2 black ones together. If you try and hang a silver one and a black one together, they're going to fall off in the middle of class and make a huge racket. We don't want that to happen. So after we're done, we make sure those are hung up in the right spot. And we also need to very, very carefully inspect the floor back here. It seems like everybody wants to sweep the floors with the big broom, and when we do, we sweep it all to the back here, and you can see this is happening already because we haven't talked about this. See all the stuff on the floor back here? Not okay. We need to make sure we pick up the piles back here. So while people are sweeping with the hand brooms, the big brooms, a few of you are going to have the hand brooms and the dust pans, and you're going to be picking up the piles. Everyone helps. Wow, my nose is big. Catch that? Everyone helps for the whole thing. Nobody leaves until I have checked the shop and I have given permission. It's good enough. You can go to your next class. All right? Again, last thing we do is we check this corner back here, make sure we've got all the piles picked up here. If we've used the sink, if you're in my engines class and we wash our hands, we have a mop. We can use that. If we spill water all over the floor, this should get mopped up. There shouldn't be any paper towels on the ground. The paper towels should all be in the garbage can. This area should be kept clean as well. So there's a lot of different things in here that we need to take care of. We don't necessarily clean the entire shop every single time. If you're in my tech and design classes and we're just using the computers, we probably won't be sweeping the shop. But we do need to make sure the keyboards are put up, mouse is pushed in. If we're using the cords for the robots, they're hung up where they're supposed to be. If we're using headphones, the headphones are put away. We got to keep it clean, guys. As always, if you have any questions, if you're not sure what to do, you know who to ask. Right? We'll talk to you later and hope you've enjoyed this video. Let's keep it clean.